Hi class, welcome to term 2 and to CIS110. This course will help you go through some of the basics of operating your computer, as well as creating files, saving them, uploading them, sending emails, using Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so you can learn some of the basics that you need to use these applications professionally, in your future careers, and in your college career. I will be your instructor. My name is Dr. Tina Serafini, and I'm very excited for us to start this new term together and move through your journey with Microsoft Office. If you have any questions or need to speak with me at any time, I'm a short email or text message away. Check out about the instructor and check out a video that I've left there for you as well. Have a great day, everyone. It will be great working with you during term 2.